How to track sales using reports. In this tutorial, we will go over 3 reports that are useful for tracking sales. Go to Reports. First, we will look at the Cash Out report. Here, you can choose dates to filter for a certain time period. The summary view will show transaction totals for each payment type. Tip information will show at the bottom. You will see a cash in drawer total at the bottom. This is the total amount of cash in your drawer, not including any float amounts. Detail view will show each individual transaction under each payment type. Next, we will go over the Business Summary report. Go back to Reports and click on the Business Summary report. This report shows information that is useful for summarizing business sales numbers and is often used for accounting or bookkeeping. Again, you can choose dates to filter for a certain time period. You will see a sales breakdown grouped by type of item purchased. Below that, there is a total of taxed items, non-taxed items, and tax collected. The total here is the total amount of all sales regardless of payment type. There is also a breakdown of depositable and non-depositable payments. Depositable payments can be directly deposited into a bank account. This would be things like cash, check, debit, credit, etc. Non-depositable payments cannot be directly deposited into a bank account. Examples would be gift cards, series, coupons, etc. Understanding the distinction between depositable and non-depositable payments is important to ensure accurate financial tracking and to avoid overestimating the business's income. On this report, you will also see some appointment statistics as well as a sales breakdown per category. Lastly, we will look at the Revenue and Taxes report. Go back to Reports and click on Revenue and Taxes report. Here you will choose a date range, and it will populate information about revenue and taxes. If you scroll down, there is a detailed explanation of this report. This report is best to give to the person who handles paying taxes for the business. We have now finished looking at 3 sales reports. Thanks for watching.